my channel. I'm Morgan Monet. First things first, happy first day of February. First day of Black History Month and first day for the month of love. You guys, I absolutely love the month of February, not only because it's Black History Month, but I also get to celebrate my friends who I love, my boyfriend who I love, parents, family members. It's amazing. And in this video, I'm really excited to bring to you guys different luxury Valentine's Day gift ideas that you can give that special someone in your life. And hey, it's 2020. That special someone does not have to be a boyfriend or a girlfriend. You can really gift these gifts or gift these ideas to your friends, to your sisters, to your cousins, to your parents. It doesn't matter. But I really do love these new gift ideas, and I think that you guys will like it as well. So enough babbling about that. Let's get started. Actually, you guys, there's one more thing. If this is your first time watching any of my videos, welcome. I typically create content around luxury accessories such as handbags or SLGs. And if this is your first time watching my videos, then you should definitely subscribe. I think that it's imperative that we normalize luxury, especially in the Black community and especially in every facet of our lives. So if you believe that as well, go on ahead, hit that red button. Also hit the bell icon so that you receive notifications every time I upload a new video, and join my Lux family. All right, now let's really get started. First up on the list, you guys, is jewelry. And the best jewelry brand that I could recommend to you guys as a great gift idea is Ana Luisa jewelry. You guys, I love this jewelry brand. They have high quality and exceptional pieces. And for Valentine's Day, they're offering their customers 15% off. That is an amazing deal, especially knowing that most of their jewelry is under the $40 price point. So the reason why they're able to be a luxury jewelry brand at such an amazing price point is they cut out the middleman and the fact that they are carbon neutral and really not harming the earth at all. I am currently wearing both their earrings and a necklace, and I know that that special someone in your life would love their jewelry and the fact that you guys can get them on a really great discount with this 15% off. But I really want to call out the necklace that I'm wearing right now. It is actually a heart with a key, and I think that that would be a super cute gift to give somebody, just because, I mean, who doesn't love hearts and keys? And you can kind of make it the idea of they have the key to your heart. I also have two other pieces of jewelry that I think would make fantastic gifting ideas. And the first one is this beautiful gold lock necklace. And you guys, this item right here would make the perfect gift, because you could buy this item from Ana Luisa and then go and get it engraved and have someone's initials placed on it, or you could add your initials and their initials, and it would just be a super cute gift to give them and have them wear around their neck. And then also I wanted to call out this other really beautiful double chained necklace where you could gift this item, amazing price point, and you could show it as a sign of, or maybe say, I want you to wear this and have me close to your heart. So go on ahead, check out the Ana Luisa jewelry link below, get 15% off your jewelry, and give this item as an amazing Valentine's Day gifting option. It's perfect for yourself, for your friends, and even for a loved one. So go on ahead and check that link out down below. The next luxury gift idea I have for you guys is flowers. And I'm not talking about the typical everyday flowers that you may think. I am talking about the luxury box of flowers, and my favorite brand is Grand Fleurs. I love their roses. They last at least 1 year. I was gifted these beautiful flowers last year from my boyfriend, and they still look amazing. They still smell amazing. And what I love about Grand Fleurs is the fact that they have so many different flower options or shapes, colors, box colors that you can choose from, and the quality is exceptional. I mean, think about gifting this to your loved one. Like, they would love it, and every time they walk past it, either in their living room or in the kitchen or in their closet, by their bed, they would see this and they're automatically going to think of you. I personally love their red set, especially for Valentine's Day. And it's great because you can either get the box in black, or I think they actually have it in a white option as well. So I will link this website down below. Darius has gifted me a few of these flowers from Grand Floors for a few different like birthdays or holidays. And when I truly say that the quality is exceptional, I mean it. The next gift idea I have for you guys is candles. And I am specifically calling out the brand Forever Mood because it is a Black-owned business brand, and the candles from Forever Mood smell amazing, you guys. Being able to gift a candle to somebody is the perfect idea to not only set the mood, but also you can, if you're giving it to a friend, you can use this as a tool to say, hey, take this time, pour or draw yourself a beautiful bubble bath, light this candle, and relax, girl. I have heard amazing reviews about Jackie Ina's new Valentine's Day collection, and you guys, her shipping has been on point. They have also been saying that the scents are phenomenal. I can personally attest to the fact that the throw on the Forever Mood candles, meaning how far the scent travels, is amazing. I myself placed my order on the 29th, and I'm suggesting that all of you guys not only buy these candles for yourself, but make them an amazing gifting option for this Valentine's Day. The next type of luxury gift idea I have for you guys that you could gift to somebody is perfume or cologne. My personal favorites are the Jo Malone fragrances. I have both the Mimosa and Cardamom and Peony, Blush, and Suede. These two fragrances together, you guys, smell amazing. I have heard a few people say that they don't particularly care for the Jo Malone colognes because they don't hold on their body, meaning the scent doesn't like last too long for them. I would suggest that you, if you don't like their regular colognes, for you to check out their Intense line, because those fragrances also smell amazing. And hey, you guys, you don't have to only gift Jo Malone perfume or cologne. You could give any type of fragrance that you feel like that special someone in your life would like. So just figure out what type of scent or maybe fragrance category your special someone loves and give them that option. I think that they would really enjoy that, and every time they spray it, they would think of you. The last gifting idea I have for you guys that you could give somebody is champagne, or in this case, a beautiful Brut Rosé. You guys, I myself was gifted this Napa Brut Rosé, and it tastes amazing. But the great thing is, you guys, not only is the packaging pink and black, isn't this like just the cutest packaging ever, but the price point is even more amazing. This bottle is like $16.99. Some retailers have it for $17.99 or $18.99, but that is an amazing price point for such an amazing tasting rosé. I think that this would be an amazing gifting option. You could easily tack a bow on this guy, pass it off to your girlfriend, a best friend, and be like, here babe, let's drink this together. If this was me giving it to like one of my best friends, I'd be like, here you go girl, drink this, enjoy yourself, relax. Drink this while you're burning that candle and enjoy your special night to yourself. I, again, love this brand. The quality is amazing and the price point is even better. All right, you guys, so that's the end of this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And you guys, I'm calling this out again to you guys because I absolutely love their jewelry. Check out the Ana Luisa website. Go on ahead and get your your 15% off. This Valentine's Day sale is amazing and the jewelry quality is exceptional. And my personal favorite is that by them creating this jewelry, they are being carbon neutral and not harming the earth. I promise you guys that it is amazing for sensitive skin and it looks beautiful on everybody that I see it on. So go on ahead, check out that link below, get your 15% off, and I hope that you guys have an amazing Valentine's Day. And again, Valentine's Day does not only mean that you are spending it with a boyfriend or a girlfriend, but you can spend it with your friends, with your sisters, with your mom, with your dad. It's just a time to celebrate the special people in your life that you love. I hope to see you guys in my next video, and I really do hope that you liked my gift suggestions. Bye!